Welcome to Masbate. Huwag ka na naiiyak. Halika na. Halika na. Naiiyak ka pa. Mag-hi ka muna sa vlog ko. Dr. Lopera, Sir Lon Lopera. Shout out dito sa Masbate. Thank you, Doc.
Your engagement and contribution are vital to the success of this seminar and the collective advancement of our profession. Once again, welcome to what I am confident will be a highly productive and enjoyable event. Let us embrace the knowledge and inspiration that will undoubtedly emerge from our time together. Thank you, and let's have a wonderful seminar.
That was our soft-spoken and the most visible bachelor in town. Thank you, Dr. Lon. So at this juncture, may I request Dr. Vita Bertuccio to introduce our first lecturer.
Pleasure to introduce our first resource speaker for today. She is renowned for her expertise and passion in TMJ or facial pain and dental sleep medicine. With a degree of Doctor of Dental Medicine, Masters in Arts, Doctor of Philosophy and Education major, Fellowship in TMJ or facial pain and dental sleep medicine, PhD major in Educational Management, Fellow in Pierre Pochar Academy, Fellow in International College of Continuing Education, and also she has countless trainings conducted and attended here and abroad. In addition to her professional achievements, she is also known and made significant contribution as private dentist and as an educator. She is an associate professor and clinical instructor in University of Perpetual Health Las Piñas and Dean of College of Dentistry in St. Anne College, Lucena. Throughout her career, she has notable achievements, recognition, and awards as President of PDA Pasig Pateros Chapter, past President of Philippine Association for Functional Jaw Orthopedics, TMJ Incorporated, and past Chapter President of Rotary Club Manila, Phenomenal Dentist. She has inspired many through her work, and today we have the opportunity to learn from her directly about TMD orofacial pain, a subject that is both timely and relevant to our interests. We are excited to hear her insights and learn from her extensive knowledge and experience. So without further ado, please join me in giving a warm welcome to Dr. Sheila Ortega Cubco.
Ang dami mo ng video, ha?
Ano daw?
Ang dami mo ng video.
Ilagay ko sa YouTube eh.
With the very beautiful view from your city, I am very, very happy and I'm very, very thankful. First and foremost to your outgoing president, Dr. G, and also to your incoming president, Dr. Rasterlon. Thank you for the warm welcome together with Dr. Yes, I'm very thankful, and it's my first time in Masbate, and indeed, I am amazed, and talagang daming beaches na. So, pagdating pa lang na-relax na kami ito. So, yan. So, with my topic this afternoon, which is no gain in TMD or facial pain. Later on, you will be able to understand a bit more, sana more, no? Or if not, you will understand better if you know already about TMD and facial pain. So, kanina nga, I was welcomed by your outgoing president, the aming president, Dr. Zirlan. Salamat sa breakfast. And, ayun, napunta kami sa provincial kami doon. At napunta na ang ating sightseeing. Thank you very much for